A very good morning to one and all present over here, respected guests and dear students. A very warm welcome to all of you to this second alumni meet organized by PG Department of Home Science, Berhampur University. Now I would request our guests to please come to the dais. First, I want to request Dr. Ratna Sahu, President Home Science Alumni Association and the founding member of Home Science Department. Madam, please grace our dais. Next, I would like to request Dr. Sashmita Behra, Madam, Secretary Home Science Association of Alumni, Berhampur University, Head of the Department of Home Science. I request Professor Pritishri Padhi, Dean College of Community Science, OUAT, Bhubaneswar, to grace the dais. Professor Sukant Kumar Tripathi Sir, Chairman PG Council, will shortly join us. So it gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all to this special gathering, our second alumni meet 2025, organized by PG Department of Home Science, Berhampur University, where celebration of memories, milestones and unbreakable bond that unites us all. Today is extra special because along revisiting our beautiful past, we also take a moment to honor and celebrate a remarkable educator, mentor and guide, Dr. Sashmita Behra, the heart of our department. Her farewell ceremony is also being conducted here today. So I request all of you to grace this moment with a very joyous way. Now I would hand over my session to dear colleague Mrs. Manasi Meher. Madam, please.
A very good morning to one and all present over here. On behalf of Department of Home Science, Berhampur University, I, Mansi Meher, extend a warm welcome to all present here. We have gathered here today to celebrate a day when we reconnect with our cherished memories and the wonderful people who made our journey so special. We are truly honored to have that heartwarming performance, a perfect way to begin our event of togetherness and celebrations. To introduce the distinguished guest of today's event, may I now invite our respected head of the department, Dr. Susmita Behera Ma'am, to take the stage.
Manvasi. At the outset, I am all the alumni from different corners of the state who have assembled here in spite of the weather forecast. Because ladies are being very prone to weather forecast, because we have decided the date earlier. We don't have any alternative, and by the grace of God this meeting could be organized. So a warm welcome to all the alumni from different corners of the Orissa. Revered Vice Chancellor Madam Professor Gitanjali Das, who has nodded to organize this event on this day and time. I welcome her in her absence here because she is the heart and soul for giving the permission. Next, our chairman will be, he is engaged, otherwise he will be joining with us as given, as said by him. He is the chair, Professor Supan Kumar Tripathi. You will come to know because he is the only male member who will be joining with us. And he is the chairman, Barampur University, Dean Science and Technology, officer. The department wholeheartedly acknowledges your presence, ma'am, amidst your commitment and involvement, eager to carry out your order for the further improvement of the department. Many alumni have inquired, is Ratna Madam coming? This shows their bondages, eagerness to meet her. Thank you, Madam, once again for being the captain of our team of home science.
It is now my honor to invite our respected Professor Preeti Sri Kwari Ma'am to address this gathering and share her insights.
Thank you very much, madam. First of all, in absence, I must address the we are in the same platform. So in that way, when you are having a study in the department, you are nowadays you are having to go.
And I cordially welcome all the members, esteemed student body and teacher friends to this alumni meet in Barampur University with the Department of Home Science 2025. First of all, I congratulate Dr. Susmita Behera, outgoing HOD of this department, and also present teachers Minj and Alita. And I also welcome Dr. Preeti Sri Kwari and Sneha Madam and Krishna to this August gathering. And I also acknowledge the presence of Dr. Behera, Mr.
outstanding agriculture scientist who is present here. And if you are talking among yourself, it is a disrespect. Please don't mind for telling like that. I am honored to you in this August gathering only because it's a very special day and it's a very auspicious day. And also I am honored because this department I started way back in 1984 when there was nothing, not even a room. We were placed in, we had 4 rooms in mathematics department, 4 rooms in commerce department and 4 rooms in economics department, in the economics building that is present now. And we feel that we are marginalized or we are invisible. We have made our presence felt. Why do we need our alumni? To recognize and identify each and every student and teachers who have gone out of the portals of this building, of this institution. In the life of an institution, 40 years is a very big time and we have achieved a lot. And I will tell you what we have done. Now, we started the department with myself, Dr. Arundhati Ratha and Dr. Anjali Patnaik and Dr. Pushpalata Samantray. Before that, in 1988, in May, Aparajita Chaudhary, Dr. Aparajita Chaudhary came and joined in the department. Initially, we started with 3 faculty, myself, Arundhati and Anjali. Then Pushpa Madam came in 88. So, we made the department and the best thing is, then OEOT did not have a PG department. They started the PG department in 2006 or 7. Long time after our department was there. And in the state of Odisha, PG department was there only in Berhampur University and Sambalpur University. It is an honor to be in an university, not in an affiliated college as an extension of undergraduate department. Because in the university only, you have better library access, you have opportunity for getting project and working on it, you have opportunity to be in the apex body of academia in a country. So we have made our presence felt not only in the country but abroad also. From this department I have gone abroad 3 times to attend Home Science, Asian Home Science Association conference, biannual conference. We have also represented it in All India Home Science Association, and one of Dr. Aparajita Chaudhary was also a board member, and I was also a board member of science as a subject for examination in OAS. So in future where there are more men students, so there will be more OAS officers from home science background. And what I hear colleagues, health, food, body fitness, mental health, childhood care and education. There are so many things, even to artificial intelligence application of AI in all these areas. We are part of to ecology. You know Dr. Tulsi Munda, who preserved seeds. If you don't know, I tell you that in agriculture area, in the tribal remote areas, it is the women who, tribal women, they contribute economically to the growth of agriculture. They maintain, they contribute physically and everywise. Because in tribal areas, even in textile industry, if you go to the northeast, it was working in, I reserved all this for her.
I'd like to request Dr. Susmita Ma'am. I would like to request Dr. Sasmita ma'am to felicitate Professor Pitishri Pari ma'am. Now, 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 I would like to request Pitishri ma'am to felicitate Rasmita Behra ma'am. Manju Prabha ma'am, she is the lecturer in Savitri Women's College, Bhajanagar.
We all are my students.
M. Anuradha in MLB School, Hilpatna, Barampur. Request Jayalakshmi Rathore ma'am.
ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನೆ ಕೊಡ್ಸು
Pragya. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Pragya. I have the greatest opportunity to come out to my hall. And this is a department which is very useful in your professional and your personal life as well. So, after being studied and being part of this department since last 22 years, I'm so happy, I'm honored and grateful to my teachers, my professors and this department which have given me also the platform to speak and to share my experience.
Mr. Bhavani Shankar Mahapatra sir, who was the joint director of the name Dr. Behra, a name that has been synonymous with grace, wisdom and leadership. From the child where he has begun his teaching from home science, from the very day he must or she must know that Dr. Sashmita Behra madam's book has been revolving on. Madam, our students have prepared a very beautiful song for you, dedicated particularly for you. So I request all of the students who have prepared a song, please be here. Now, as we continue this heartfelt afternoon, let us move ahead with some special moments dedicated to ma'am, and especially I have prepared a video for ma'am.
Dr. Sasmita Madam, Ratna Madam, Priti Madam, Chairman Sir, all the dignitaries present here, all the alumni present here, and my dear students and all student friends, a warm afternoon to all of you. I am Dr. Manju Prabha Das, currently working as a lecturer in home science in Savitri Women's College, Bhanjanagar, here today to share some fun memories that I have spent here. First of all, it's a pleasure, privilege to be here today with you all. I am a proud alumni of this university who has given me identity of being a home scientist. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Sasmita madam, for your efforts.
আপনার হাত ধরছো সেকেন্ড চাপটা আসিয়াକୁ লোক ରହିବ ଆମେ ଦୁର୍ଗାଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରେମ୍ କରୁ ଆମେ ମା କାଳୀଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରେମ୍ କରୁ ଆମେ ସରସ୍ୱତୀଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରେମ୍ କରୁ ତେଣୁ be strong, be blessed, stay blessed.
The current generation, the students currently pursuing PG in home science will truly get inspired by your words. What is the actual importance of home science? You have shared that.
Very good afternoon to all present here on the dais. Dr. Ratna Madam, founder of Home Science Department, and my teacher, Sasmita Madam, and Sir, Priti Madam, and all alumni and student friends. Good afternoon all. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मो प्लस टू रे मैडम को स्टूडेंट थी आज गोटे सुजोग पाई मैडम को विषय किसी कहवाई मैडम मु आसु आसु मत जो भी देखिए कहे रश्मिता आसला कदी से एवं पर्यंत अलरेडी 20 years है सी जो भी जो देखिए रश्मिता आसला दैट मो बापा ना भी कम मन रखते कहीं से वुमेन्स कॉलेज रे बापा भी जॉब करते मैडम भी थे तो आज बहुत ब्लेस्ड अच्छी जे मैडम को पाखे मो पाठ पढ़ी जो मैडम मान जो आज डिपार्टमेंट छिड़ा किसी कहीपे तो से आशीर्वाद नए समय न था जेहेतु मो 2007 एमफिल सर मो 2012-16 MS स्वामीनाथन रिसर्च फाउंडेशन में सीनियर रिसर्च फेलो रे जॉब करथी तापरे 16 रे SSB पाइकी सेठी सावित्री वुमेन्स कॉलेज भंजनगर रे जॉब कली देन कंटिन्यू चलछि पड़ता जे तसहित मो मैडम मानकर आशीर्वाद बिना एगुड़ा संभव हो न था आज गोटे समय मत मिली मो किसी कही पार्टी मैडम मान विषय मु भी छिड़ा हो पार्टी से बहुत बड़ भाग्य भगवान का आशीर्वाद मैडम टीचर मान भी आशीर्वाद
Request our respected Alita madam also to grace the stage, and my dearest colleague Manasi madam also please join us here. I request Dr. Ratna Sahu madam to please felicitate Sashmita Behra madam with a token of Manapatra and Upatokan presented by Department of Home Science. In recognition of your outstanding contribution to the field of home science, born on October 22, 1965, you have established yourself as a distinguished scholar, educator and mentor with an exemplary academic journey spanning institutions such as Berhampur University, Ramadevi Women's University, SBRG Women's College Berhampur and Women's College Balangir. With an illustrious teaching career spanning 33 years, you have mentored numerous scholars, guiding one PhD and 5 MPhil researchers while inspiring countless students. Your prolific academic contributions include many research papers published in various national and international journals, many book chapters and books positioning you as a leading voice in the field of home science. Beyond academia, your invaluable contributions to Parampur Chairman Internal Complaints Chapter, we extend our deepest appreciation for your unwavering commitment, intellectual leadership and scholarly excellence. Your legacy will continue to inspire generations to come. Thank you so much, Madam. Department, the teachers and the staffs of department will be present you to the gift. Local sir. Local sir.
ମୋର ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେରିମନି ହସ୍ପିଟାଲ ଯେବେଠୁ ସେ ଜାଣିଛି ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେବେଠୁ ଜାଣିଛି। ଆଉ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମଙ୍କର ସିନିୟର ଅପା ମାନେ ଯିଏ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଜାଣିଛି। ସିନିୟର ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଅପା, ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅପା ଡାକେ, ଯେହେତୁ ମୋର ଜୁନିୟର ହେଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ କାରଣ ଓୟୁଟିର ମୁଁ ସିନିୟର ବ୍ୟାଚ୍, ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ମୋର ଜୁନିୟର ବ୍ୟାଚ୍। ଯେଉଁ 3 ଜଣ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି, ପ୍ରଫେସର ପିତିଶ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍, ସ୍ନେହ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍, ପରେ ଆମର ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିଛନ୍ତି କେଉଁ ଦିନ ଆସି ପହଞ୍ଚିବ। ଝିଅ ମୋର ଝିଅ ଗୋଟେ ଝିଅ ଆଜି ଆସିପାରୁନି, ସିଏ ଡାକ୍ତର ହେଇକି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଟ୍ରେନିଂରେ ଅଛି, କଟକରେ ଏସ୍ସିବିରେ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ଅଛି। କାଲି ଯଦି ହେବ 2ଟା ବେଳେ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ କରି କେମିତି କୌଣସି ବାଟରେ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟାରେ ପହଞ୍ଚିବାକୁ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ୍ ରଖିଛି। ମୁଁ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେତେ ଶୀଘ୍ର ସରିବ ଆମେ ଏଠୁ ଯିବା, ଗାଁକୁ ଯିବା, କି ବାରିପଦା ଝିଅ ଅଛି ଯାଇପାରୁନି। ଆଉ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍ ବିଷୟରେ କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ସାକ୍ରିଫାଇସ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି, କାରଣ ସେ ଅର୍ବାନ୍ ଏରିଆରେ ରହିଥିଲେ, ରାଉରକେଲାରେ ପାଠପଢ଼ା ହୋଇଗଲା, ବ୍ରହ୍ମପୁରରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ରହିଲା। ଅର୍ବାନ୍ ଏରିଆ ଗାଁ ଗଣ୍ଡା ଦେଖିନଥିଲେ, ଚାଳଘର ଦେଖିନଥିଲେ, ତାର ମୁଁ ସିନିୟର ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ପାସ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ ହେଲା ପରେ ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍ ଓୟୁଟିରେ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ୁଛନ୍ତି। ଯେଉଁଠି ଚାକିରି କରିଥିଲି, ଚାକିରି କରିଥିଲି, ସେଠି ତାଙ୍କର ମଉସା ମଉସୀ ଥିଲେ। ମୁଁ ବ୍ଲକ୍ ଅଫିସର ଥିଲି, ମ୍ୟାଡ଼ାମ୍ ସେଠି ପିଜି କରୁଥିଲି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇୟର୍। ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପ୍ରପୋଜାଲ୍ ହେଲା ବାହାଘର ହେଇଯିବ, ସେଠି ନାଇଁ ପାଠ ନ ସରିଲେ ବାହାଘର ହେବିନି, କାରଣ ପାଠ ବ୍ୟାକ୍ ହେଇଯାଇପାରେ। ପୁଣି ବାହାଘର ରହିଗଲା, ପିଜି ସରିଲା ବର୍ଷେ ପରେ ପୁଣି ସେ ପ୍ରପୋଜାଲ୍ ପଡ଼ିଲା ରହି।
Ratna Sahu madam, Bhavani sir and family members of the Shashmita madam and all faculty members and all the students. So it is my great privilege and honor to extend the vote of thanks on this wonderful occasion of our second alumni meet 2025. As we come to the close of this memorable gathering, I stand here to express my heartfelt grateful to all who made the event such a grand success. First and foremost, I extend our heartfelt thanks to our esteemed Vice Chancellor, Professor Gitanjali Das, Madam, in her absence here, for motivating and supporting us always for organizing this kind of program. Thank you, Madam. And then special thanks to our respected Professor Sukant Kumar Tripathi Sir, PTC, for he is also absent. He said to come, but due to some work, he could not. So thank you so much, sir. A special thanks to our respected alumni and president of our alumni, Dr. Ratna Sahu Madam, founder of this department also, for her constant support and guidance. Today we are here because of her strong support. Thank you so much, Madam. I would also like to thank Professor Pritisri Party Madam, Dean College of Community Science, OUAT, for her valuable presence and motivational and informative speech. Thank you so much, Madam. I would like to thank our HOD and Secretary of our alumni group, Dr. Sasmita Behra Madam, for her unconditional support and motivation. Thank you, Madam, for always being with us. She is the heart and pillar of this department, and after her, the department will sit and take time to be stable. So thank you so much, Madam. And also, I would like to thank our esteemed alumni, those who are present here. I am not taking name, but your name is in our heart. So thank you so much for coming and accepting our invitation. And I hope you will be there in next meeting also. Thank you so much, Madam. A special word of thanks to our faculty members, Ashmita Madam, Manasi Madam. Without their support, this program could not be successful. So thank you so much for your contribution. I also thank all volunteers and students, those who are present here, our alumni or ex-student of this department, and all the participants, all the members also, Bhavani sir. So thank you all for being present with us, and thank you for present with our alumni meet as well as in farewell meeting also. Thank you so much. So this is the time for lunch. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your extended vote of thanks. All the students and their alumni and respected guests will